This year is indeed a landmark for the Kolkata International Film Festival. Not only has it traversed a journey of 30 years, Kolkata International Film Festival has also become bigger, better, and brighter. In which other film festival of the country do you have 175 films participating from 41 countries?
May I call upon Rachana Banerjee to felicitate Mr. Shatrughan Sinha.
Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. Once more, a big round of applause for him. I would request Rachana Banerjee to felicitate the one and only Dada of West Bengal, Shourabh Ganguly. Request Dev to felicitate Srijit Mukherjee. Mr. Nicola Fassino, who's all the way, he's come from France. Thank you so much. May I request Devlina Kumar to felicitate Alka Sadat. I would request Rukmini to felicitate the one and only, our favorite, the biggest star of West Bengal, Didi, the Chief Minister, the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Bandyopadhyay. The one and only Jishu Sengupta, being felicitated by the one and only Mamata Bandyopadhyay. A big round of applause. Would also request Didi to felicitate our Dev, the apple of eye.
We all are living through a challenging and frantic time. Relentless wars, destruction, unbridled greed, and violence have led to extreme inhumanity worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, cinema is a collective memory of time. In the coming days, we will witness this memory through feature films, short films, and documentaries from various corners of the world. Let us celebrate this festival together with love and compassion. Joy Bishu Bangla.
Thank you, Gautam Da.
Satyajit Ray, the icon, the cult figure. जिंदगी में एक इच्छा थी, एक ख्वाहिश अधूरी रह गई और रह जाएगी कि मैं मानिक दा के साथ, सत्यजीत रे के साथ काम करूं। वो नहीं कर सका। मेरे फ्रेंड और गुरु गौतम घोष, जिनके साथ मुझे काम करने का आनंद तो मिला, मजा आया, लेकिन साथ साथ मेरे लिए बहुत ही लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा। बंगाली भाषा, गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की भाषा, शरद चंद्र की भाषा, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की भाषा, इतनी प्यारी भाषा, इतनी सुंदर भाषा, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल भाषा। वॉट एवर हैपेंस, जहां कहीं भी हूं, मैं अब हर हाल में आपका हूं, आपका था और आपका रहूंगा।
A special book on Tapan Sinha, Shatabarshe Tapan Sinha, will be unveiled this evening. It is a moment of great pride for all of us that this significant honor will be done by none other than our beloved Didi, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Bandyopadhyay.
Thank you very, very much for coming over here, and please do come again and again. Because you know, cinema means there is no boundary. It unites the people. World is one. We are one. Only somebody is staying somewhere. Only some languages are being spoken. But as a human being, we are all one. Same family, we belongs to world family. Thank you so much for everybody. অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ, নমস্কার, শুভ নন্দন সকলকে, আর গৌতম দা অভিনন্দন আমাকে এই সুযোগ করে দেওয়ার জন্য।
ধন্যবাদ দিদি, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।